So it's almost my birthday here, so I'm like, why not do something different, something fun, like, yeah, express yourself. So I'm at the barber, as you can see. My barber Jason, he does everything, by the way, and I'm just here like getting a cut. Really needed a cut, as you could see, can see. So I've always bleached my hair since I cut it a few years ago, but I've always bleached ends, not the roots or my entire head. So this was a first for me, so I decided, why not, let's just go for it and get it done. Yeah, so he did his mix up. Don't ask me what he mixed up, I do not remember. And yeah, he's applying it to my hair. Yeah, the smell, ugh. The smell, not pretty at all. The smell was not pretty. I was stifling. But yeah, see, applying it to my hair. And yeah, look at it. I don't remember if this is the first coat or the second coat. I don't remember. But my hair was changing. Probably the first. Yeah, first. And yeah, my hair was already changing. You can see the bleach was already changing my hair color. I was nervous to see what the outcome would be. And he covered with foil paper and a steam cap, and now he's going to do his quality check. Oh gosh. Whew, I'm nervous. Oh gosh. But yeah, and not too bad. I'm like, I need to go lighter. And yeah, look at it. Wow. Wash it out, and yeah. And they're looking at like, this is like really like this is like, I'm going to look like the Lorax from that movie, the Lorax. But yeah. Now look at this. Now he has to apply something again. I don't know what he applied here, believe me. I'll ask next time when I'm filming my next hair color change journey process. I don't know, but whatever it is, it was to get it lighter. And look at that. Like honestly, I was really nervous. Like, I'm like, how am I going to look like? What's the outcome? But you know, trust the process. Started it, can't go back now. And doing a wash after some minutes. And yeah, still a bit nervous, you know, but liking it either way. But the truth is, I wanted to go really platinum, like white instead of blonde, but because my first time, my hair couldn't manage that, so I was supposed to go back, but I didn't, because I fell in love with the color. So yeah, this is him using the neutralizer, the shampoo, the purple shampoo, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I guess to give it that blonde look instead of yellow. Yeah, see, I know something. And this is the final product, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, she's ready, she's fine, and girl, look good. Well, look at me. No. But yeah, this is the final product. I will film the entire process next time. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you.